Poppy?
Here. Hold it so the bunny comes out. Pull it back a little bit. Pull it out so she comes out some. There. Now I can see her. Here she is. Emily, look at me. You like feeding the bunny rabbit?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the bunny's name?
Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
I thought it was Baker Bunny.
It's not Baker Bunny.
It's not?
Yeah, it's Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Do you love Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my favorite rabbit.
Yeah. Did I tell you the story about your Aunt Carol?
Yeah.
We had bunny rabbits when we were little. And one time, Aunt Carol wanted to get the bunny rabbit out, and she climbed inside of the cage. And nobody could find her. We didn't know where she was at.
She's in there.
She
She
was
was in there.
Yeah.
And she didn't find her.
Didn't find her?
Yeah.
No. Do you like feeding the rabbits?
Yeah.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
She's so cute, isn't she?
Yeah, she's a baby.
She's your baby? You like holding her, don't you?
Yeah.
But when you take her to the TV room, what does she do on the couch?
Poop and pee.
She poops and pees on the couch.
Yeah.
She make poopy?
Yeah.
Who cleans up the poopy?
You.
Me?
Yeah. And you get the poopy out and couch.
So your job is to play with the bunny, and Poppy's job is to clean up the poopy.
Yeah.
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 Okay. I love you. Say bye-bye. Wave to the camera. Bye.